Respect time and time will respect you. Many of us enjoy postponing things for tomorrow. Sooner or later, it will become our habit and even we don't want to do postpone the things we do. What we do in our 24 hours will decide our future. Good afternoon everyone. I'm Ankit again. I'm here with my new topic and the topic is if you respect time, time will respect you. That's right. You have to respect the time so that time will respect you. Time is a commodity which you can't buy, and time is a commodity which is in very limited. You can't buy with your money, with your property, or anything. Everyone has the same amount each day, but how we use that amount will depend on us and it will decide our future as well. Believe it or not, we can tell others the value of your time by not making enemy them. Value your time. Don't allow someone to use your day. No one can use your day or no one can use your time if you allow it to do so. Write your planning on a paper or for your 24 hours and so that you decide how your 24 hours will work for you. What you will do in those 24 hours. Value your time. Once you start valuing your time, once you start worth your time, then it's natural that you start thinking what to do or what not to do. I mean, you will decide what to do and what you choose to avoid. Some things are genuine, some things are not necessary. So you have to decide what are necessary and what are not necessary for you. Time is very valuable, very precious. Time will never come back. It it's only you have to decide that how will you use your time? How will you use your 24 hours? I'm not saying the 1 month, 2 months, but how will you use your this very second? It's all up to you. Everything is written and everything will happen at his time. We all born and one day we all die, but we really gonna die with some good memories, with some good work, so that people can remember us even after our death. We have to do work like that. If we respect our time, then only people will respect us and give us love at that way, because we know time is in very limited amount. So always think that you have to value your time. You need to think what is important for you, watching TV or watching something valuable to you. What is important to you, going to a gym or just eating junk food and be on a bed? It's all up to you how you use your 24 hours. This 24 hour will make a big impact on your future, because this will let you know that how far you can go in your life, how long you can run a race, how hard you can hit a target. So always think that you have to achieve that 24 hours, because these 24 hours is the base of your empire. How you will use this 24 hours. So always value your 24 hours. Always value your time, because time is precious. Once time will, it will never come back. So always love your time, always value your time. Give respect to your time. Don't waste your time with hang out with friends. Well, hang out with friends is necessary, but not as necessary as your career or something which is giving you growth. Always give time to your online courses, to your studies, so that you can achieve your target as much as you can. So always value your time. Always work on yourself. Always write the planning for your 24 hours so that you can plan your whole 24 hours so that it will give you much more value as this. Because once you do all these things, you will become more productive and action taker. It will give you happiness that how easily you can achieve the target and how effective you can do that all these things, because you know time is very limited and you can't buy the time. Even if you live for 100 years, then the how many days you have? 36,500 only, and from those half of those days you lived already, so only the half time you have. So just value your time, do what you want to do for your growth, for your achievements in the future. So always value your time. Thank you.